Hi friends, Namaste to all my fellow meditators. Today we will come up with one more topic. Yesterday we talked about health and today we will see about power of thoughts on our health. It's more about health, how our thoughts will influence our health. That is the today's topic. We must not get in order to get a good health, right? We must not get any negative emotions or negative thoughts in our mind, because our health depends upon what we feed to our physical body, what we feed to our mental body, and what we feed to our spirit body. These three depends upon how you feed them. That is your health. So any negative emotion, suppose if you are getting anger, so just observe your body when you are angry. Whatever the reason it could be, when you observe the anger, what will happen? All your cells will be fuming. They will be burning. Okay, they'll not be in the normal state. It is not in a happy mode. They are in a negative state mode when you are getting an anger. Similarly to the jealous, when you get jealous on somebody, are you actually getting a positive feeling within yourself? You are getting some of the negative feeling, right? So when you are getting these negative thoughts or low emotions in your body, so your each and every cell of your body reacts and they go to a negative state. So in this negative state, how your body reacts, it also reacts negatively. So all these anger, jealous, these emotions will create blocks in your body. When it creates a blocks, those blocks will actually block your blood circulation or whatever the things, and you will get the ill health. Okay, so or dis-ease, I can say your body will be in the dis-ease. So in order to do perfect health, we need to feed healthy foods and beverages to our physical body and give a good exercise and sufficient sleep, and then think happy thoughts to our spirit body. It is that easy to have to stay in a good health. And if you keep on having a junk food, having a diet soda, and sitting on a couch potato, and then if you want to have a good health, you won't get it, and thinking all negative thoughts about all others. Yeah, so how your body reacts, all your cells are reacting only the negative thoughts, so you will not be in the good health. So in order to good health, you should get healthy foods and beverages for your physical body, have a good exercise, sufficient sleep, and have all the happy thoughts. Okay, these are the things that we need to have our things. So similarly, if you want to get a good health, if you are talking about ill health, I should not get any disease, I should not become sick. If you are thinking like that, you will not get a good health, because if you want a good health, think about good health only, not about the opposite. As we say, universe is a yes world, right? Yes world means whatever you ask, it says yes. If you say, I want good health, it says yes. If you say, I do not want ill health, it think that you want ill health and it says yes. Okay, there's no negative. So whatever the words that are coming out of your time, whatever the thoughts that is coming out of your mind should be the positive thoughts. Then the universe will say that. Will say yes to that. So when it is saying yes to that, you will be having a good health in your life. It is like your health is like a mirror of your inner thoughts. Inner thoughts are a beliefs. Our body is always talking to us. When it is getting sick or when it is getting disease, when you are actually pushing something that is not liked by your body, means that is not the one that your body needs, but you are pushing something to your body, then body will try to talk to you. That is a disease. Okay, when it is trying to talk to you, you have to understand that body is trying to talk to you. It doesn't like something that went inside, Or it could be mind also. Suppose when you are in anger, then your body doesn't like that anger, so it is trying to say that I don't like this, that is why it fumes, it does all kinds of reactions. But you are not understanding that instead of that you are getting more anger, you are producing more jealous, and you are using a harsh words. All these things will spoil the even more health. So whenever the body or each element of your body is trying to speak to you, you have to respond to that. You have to understand that, then you can come out of the ease from dis-ease. Okay, when you are able to ready to talk to your body, then only it will happen. You can choose, like, because we can choose how our thoughts, right? Whether you want to have a your mental atmosphere illness, or whether you want to have a good thoughts, happy thoughts and happy atmosphere, that is all your choice. So the day was started, you may think that, oh, today I may get sick, or you may think that today I'm super happy and everything is going to be right. You have two choices. You can think either of the way. So whatever the way you think, and the universe will say yes and go on. To add a few points on here, right? So why we are saying that we should go for the vegetarianism, or not the meat and all. The reason is, here when you are eating a meat, what is happening? So the animal, whatever the animal is getting killed, it is also having a body, it is also having a cells, and it responds, right? So when you kill the animal, what is happening is that fear at the time of death, what it is having, that the fear or anger on you is imbibed in its cells. So when it is get killed, all that anger, so that negative emotions it is having it, and you are eating that one. So what you will get? You will also get the same negative emotions, right? So because of this, so we should not eat, or we should not, because you are harming one another one, and you are eating that one. You're harming and eating. So you are actually doing the two sins. One is you already did wrong for that animal, and on the top of it you are actually eating it. So because of this reason, we always insist that we have to go for the plant-based food. Again, there is a question somebody asked in the previous session, saying that plant is also having a life, then why we have to eat, why we should eat, why we can eat the plant, but why we cannot eat the animal? Two reasons. One is, if you pluck off a fruit, again the fruit comes. If you pluck off a leaves, again the leaves comes. And even if you take out the plant, you have a capacity that you can plant 10 plants again also. But do you have an ability that you can create a life of an animal? You can't, right? So when we cannot do something, when we cannot give something, we do not have a right to take that also. Okay, remember that. Second reason I can say that a plant has that consciousness which we all have. Metal have, plants have, and animals have, and we have. But animals have the soul also. It has the soul which will feel like us. The animals also have the soul, but the plants do not have the soul. It has only that consciousness, common consciousness. Okay, because of these things, we should not eat a non-vegetarian, which is not good for health, because the element, whatever that it is having in the cells, that we are eating, and we are actually absorbing all those negative things. Okay, what is the more, we will see what are the affirmations for the health, right? What are the affirmations that Louis Hay is giving to us? I enjoy the foods that the best to my body. I enjoy the foods that is best to my body. I look forward to healthy old age, because I'm taking good care of my body now, because I'm doing exercise, I'm eating good foods, and I'm eating healthy. So I'm not worried about my old age, because my old age will also be so healthy, and I can still do many other things that I can do that age. I'm constantly discovering the new ways to improve my health. Every day I'm improving my health, and I'm constantly discovering. I return to my body optimal health by giving what it needs every level. Okay, I am the pain-free and totally sink in my life. Healing happens. So our body has a capacity to heal itself. So healing is always happening. You need not worry about it. I balance my life between work, rest, and play. They all get equal time. I am willing to ask for help when I need it. So I always choose a health professional who is just right to my needs. I breathe deeply and fully. Here I need to tell you one point. Like usually many people, I breathe deeply and fully means. So actually, are you breathing deeply? Many people do that shallow breathing, because of which the health is also get affected. Shallow breathing, in a sense, I'll give you a simple exercise here, right? If you put your hand in your tummy and if you start breathing and see how your tummy is coming. So if your tummy is coming out when you are breathing in and coming inside when you are breathing out, that means you are doing a right breathing, because you are filling the lungs when you are breathing, right? Suppose in the shallow breathing, if people will do the shallow breathing from here only, they won't go until the lungs, right? So when you are doing the shallow breathing, what will happen is only when you are actually breathing inside, your tummy goes inside. That is a shallow breathing. So observe yourself and practice every day in the morning. Try to observe your breath. That is the reason the meditation is so important. Observe your breath and see whether you are doing a proper breathing or not. If you do daily 10 minutes a day the proper breathing, then that habit will continue, and the rest of the day also you will start doing only the right way of breathing. Okay. Perfect health is my divine right, so I claim it now. So you have a divine, and the beverage that you should always like is water. Water is my favorite beverage, not your diet cokes or any other alcoholic drinks. I drink lots of water and cleanse my body and mind. My happy thoughts creates my healthy body. These are the affirmations that we can keep for the health. So say, friends, we have seen how our thoughts will affect our body, right? So fill our mind also with the healthy thoughts or happy thoughts. Suppose if you get sick, if you go to the doctor and take some medicine, you are actually treating only the physical body. So that may get temporarily right, but if your mental body is not right, again that might get repeat again also. So it is always again, it may come back. So there is no use unless you change the pattern of your thinking. Your physical body will not be healthy. Okay, friends, we will come with another topic tomorrow. Until then, thank you.